Tesla is turning up heat on rivals with global price cuts. Let's take a look at what's going on in Tesla's kingdom. Well, Tesla has reduced the prices on its electric vehicles by as much as 20%, while increasing an aggressive discounting effort and challenging opponents after missing Wall Street delivery estimates for 2022. The move marked a reversal from the automaker's strategy over the last 2 years when modern vehicle orders outperformed the supply. It has happened after CEO Elon Musk warned that the possibility of recessions and higher interest rates meant it could lower prices to maintain growth at the expense of profit. Last year, Elon Musk admitted that prices had become very high, which could also hurt the demand. In 2022, Tesla stock had its worst year since the firm's inception due to slow growth in China and Elon Musk's distraction with Twitter. Tesla reduced prices across the United States, Europe, and Middle East and Africa after a series of cuts last week in Asia, in what critics saw as an open shot at both smaller opponents that have been bleeding cash and legacy automakers aggressively ramping up electric vehicle production. Thomas Hayes, chairman and managing member at Great Hill Capital, has said, "Competition is coming and they are responding with price cuts. The discounts may make EV cars cheap to people who were priced out of the market. US and French buyers could take advantage of both the discounts and federal tax credits available in both nations for specific electric vehicle purchases." The US price cuts on Tesla's global top sellers, the Model 3 sedan and Model Y crossover SUV, were between 6% and 20%. Some calculations showed the basic Model Y now costing $52,990, down from $65,990. Those cuts are before a $7,500 US federal tax credit that took influence for many electric vehicles on January 1st that could bring discounts to more than 30%. Tesla also cut prices for its Model X luxury crossover and Model S sedan in the United States. Discounts kick in more subsidies in France, US. A representative for Tesla Germany said lower cost inflation was also an aspect in reducing prices in its top European market without defining which costs had fallen. In Germany, Tesla lowered prices by around 1% to almost 17% on the Model 3 and Model Y. The best-selling Model Y will now go for €44,880, which is around €9,100 less. Tesla has also reduced its prices in Austria, Switzerland, and France. In France, customers buying the Model 3 for €44,990 will now get an additional reduction through a government subsidy of €5,000 on an EV scheme with a threshold of €47,000. The move extends the vehicles in Tesla's lineup suitable for the Biden administration tax credit. Before the price cut, the 5-seat editions of the Model Y had been ineligible, which Elon Musk called messed up. After the price cut, the long-range editions of the Model Y will also qualify. Deutsche Bank has estimated that a Model Y after tax credits could be $18,000 less than Ford's rival Mustang Mach-E. Tesla's vehicle gross profit margins, which are among the biggest in the industry, would drop 3 percentage points in 2023. But Tesla's bold offensive move have secured growth and laid its competitors in some huge trouble. While Tesla shares fell, stocks of its opponents were hit harder. US automakers General Motors and Ford Motor fell 4.5% and 6%, making them among the biggest losers on the broad market S&P 500 index, while in Europe, Stellantis and VW fell 3.7% and Volkswagen AG dropped to 3.6%. Wedbush analyst Dan Ives has said that this move could boost worldwide deliveries by 12% to 15% this year and shows Elon Musk's reaction to rising competition. Punch in the gut. Tesla lovers and buyers had complained that the price cut have disadvantaged people who had recently purchased a vehicle. A buyer in Seattle who acquired a Model Y in December had considered waiting until the new year to get the US subsidy, but was attracted by a discount of $3,750. Another Tesla fan who had recently owned a Model 3 said he was disappointed with Musk's antics, but decided to buy a Model Y because he liked Tesla products. The buyer said, "It's a punch in the gut, to be honest. If they knew they would drop the price this much, they should have just done it in December," while explaining that it feels unfair as Tesla has sought to improve fourth quarter sales with discounts, just to cut prices even more a month later. In China, where Tesla cut prices by 6 to 13.5%, owners protested at delivery centers while calling for compensation. For 2021, the United States and China combined had accounted for around 75% of Tesla sales, but it has been growing in Europe. Tesla cut prices in China and other Asian markets last week, which according to critics would boost the demand and increase pressure on its opponents, including BYD, to follow suit in what could become a price war in the biggest single EV market. What's your take on this topic? Tell us in the comment section below. With that being said, it's time to end our today's video. Press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more interesting stuff. Peace out.